The ultimate kofta recipe you are searching for. Flavorful, tender, and moist. And the most important thing, it's very easy to make. Start with 1 kilogram of meat, half lamb and half beef with 20% of fat. Add the finely chopped parsley and leave some for the decoration. Add 3 finely chopped onions after draining the juice from them. Leave it aside, we will use it later. Now add 4 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon 7 spices, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. If you don't have 7 spices, use allspice seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of salt or as desired. Now we will have to mix the ingredients very well. Mix and knead the kofta for 5 minutes. Without kneading, you will not reach the texture of the authentic kofta. Now we will put it in the fridge so the fat is cold again and the meat is easy to deal with. I will make some potatoes, onion and garlic in the pan. I will put some olive oil and salt as desired. Cover the lid and put it on medium heat until they're fully cooked. Now we are ready to roll the kofta. You can make any shape you want. If it's sticking to your hand, you can use the onion juice or water on your hand and roll the kofta like this. Press on the kofta while you're rolling it. This way you will guarantee to have a better looking kofta when you're done. You can fry them now or you can freeze the batch that you want and fry the rest. On a preheated pan, put some oil or ghee and put the kofta. Wait until it takes some color on the first side, then you can flip it on the other side. I'm frying the kofta on high heat to retain the juice inside the meat. If you're making a big batch, you can put the kofta or the cooked kofta inside a preheated oven until all the batch is done. Now the potatoes, the onions and the garlic are fully cooked and done. You will like the delicious taste, especially when they're made with olive oil. The caramelized garlic always hits different. Serve it directly when it's hot and enjoy the delicious taste. You can see the beautiful color from outside and how it's juicy and tender from the inside. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.